Usually I'm making you the presenter now.
Okay, I'm disconnecting the team viewer.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, it's echoing a lot. Yeah, I'm now out of team viewer.
I started sharing the screen for you.
I'm not able to see anything. Okay, I can see now.
Okay. You asked me to do something earlier.
Yeah, ls minus l dollar, what was that? Flume underscore class path. You said, okay, you have two directories, right? So can you do like echo dollar flume class path?
Okay.
So just want to see whether it is set to your new directory or old one.
Oh.
Flume.
Yes.
Okay. So okay, do one thing. Source that env dot whatever that file. What is that file? Flume env dot sh. Source space.
You mean like the
Yeah.
SRC?
SOURC. Yeah. Source. Yeah. Trying to set the environment variables. That's all.
Okay.
So we have set it in a file, but I think you did not source it.
Okay. So source flume.
Yeah, flume env dot sh. I think. Yeah, right.
Is that the correct one?
So if you do partial, I think you are in. Where are you? Like
On the home directory?
PW? Not the home directory. Go to that conf directory. So is this the window that you have run the command or some other window?
This is the window.
Yeah, this is the one.
So yeah, if this is the window, you see that class path is not. So it doesn't know where to get this jar file, right? So it doesn't
Okay.
know that from where. Yeah.
So I have to move to conf directory.
Conf directory and do source of that file.
Okay.
So have two terminals, okay, one for editing and one for running this command.
Okay.
Yes.
So now you want me to run this?
Yeah, source. Yeah, right. Yeah. Now do
The same thing?
not echo. Yeah, that it will execute that same command. Not symbol echo. Enter.
Not echo?
That I mean
Oh, you
one
mean
shift one. Yeah. Not that one. That, shift one. Shift one.
okay.
Echo enter. So here is this your new one or old one? User lib flume is your new one, right? User lib flume. Okay, that's where it copied. Okay, good. So it is taking your new directory now, and then what else? The next step. So this is all, I think, Twitter, going to Twitter and all. I think we can do it later, right? But then
Show the Twitter, what we have worked on.
Okay. I have my Twitter account here and manage apps. Right.
mm,
So I have created a new app. Once I created that,
Okay.
I have got these keys and access permissions. Everything was updated into that file. So here you can see customer key,
Yeah.
consumer key, consumer secret API, and all these tokens.
Okay. Consumer key, consumer secret. Those are the two things. And then
And access token and
access token secret. These okay, four things.
yeah,
Okay, to create a channel between this app and your Flume service.
flu. Yes.
Okay. So yeah, go back to the terminal. Yeah, you can. So these are still valid, right? It's not like out of date. So if it is needed, we
Okay.
can retap it, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah.
So he says like edit the flume.conf file. So can you go back to flume.conf? Where is that in conf directory? Yeah. So
It's
just
is there.
do cat or do like so you are like aware of VI or you want to do gedit?
I prefer G-Editor.
Yeah, do gedit of that conf.
Okay.
Flume.
You want me to do it for the next thing?
Yeah, next step. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this and all I think you have done it. So you created all the four keys. So
Yes.
this is where we are edit flume.conf.
So yeah,
So
this is similar,
edit.
and I have done all the steps accordingly. Then I have to change the.
So why do you want to do that whole thing? No, you just need you have to edit that file in that particular directory, right?
Yeah. I mean, I just copied it. So
Yeah, I guess there is only one flume.conf. Not, you're not opening something and you are using something, right?
no. It's the same thing. You can
Okay.
check the path here and here. It's the same.
Okay, so let it be there like that. So memory source is Twitter. So you created agent as Twitter agent, channels memory channel, syncs HDFS, Twitter type, Twitter type, Twitter agent source. Okay, you have other window like so that I think we need to change. We may need to change.
Which one?
Uh, So, but yeah, you have see that it is according to the Java your class path Java path, whatever Java home, right? It is
Mm-hmm.
different from the whatever he has given in the document. So I think this com dot Cloudera Flume source that will change for you. So we'll find out what we have to put in.
No.
So just remember for now. So then mem channel. So these keys, consumer key is matching with your
Yeah,
other
this is
applications, right?
my case.
Uh,
I can just show that to you.
so it's not in two lines, right? It's everything in one line. It's just
Yeah,
showing like that.
everything is in one line and
Access token secret. Okay. Access token secret. Keywords. Okay. And channel. So path. So he says you have to give something like HDFS colon slash slash localhost colon 8020 slash.
this thing I have changed it yesterday, so just to
Yeah,
check.
put back the old one. Yeah. So it has to know. I think it's not the root. It has to like virtual file system, right? That's what he says. Oh, do you need that? Okay, maybe that's fine. Look at the data
Transaction.
stream, text, row size. Okay. Yeah, can you come out? I think those parameters are only one parameter. I think we need to verify, right?
With our source agent.
We will run this and see what is the error. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Save this file and come out.
So,
What does it say? Next step. Next step is just executing. So I hope like we have not verified the key matching. So I hope it is all good.
yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
it's the
yeah,
same.
that's fine. So it will give an error anyway.
It is giving an error, Murli.
Yeah, I mean you have to do like in this window only you did source, right?
Yeah, I have
The
done
same
it.
window you have to run the command.
Okay.
So what is the command you are running? Just show me before you run. Flume
This is
ng
the last one.
agent minus input agent minus c conf minus f user lib flume. Okay.
It will not work, I guess.
Why? It's good only.
No, I mean, I have tried it last time and it didn't work. So in case if it doesn't, then I have to.
Show me where is your present working directory? PWD do it.
Oh, you want me to do that
Yeah.
first?
Control C and do PWD. Enter.
Have you?
ls.
Mhm.
Yeah, it will work. Yeah, just do. Yeah, run the command, same command.
Okay.
Flume command. It will. Yeah. Okay.
Now, Flume.
Right. Yeah. It's so no configuration directory set use conf. So it is running.
Yeah, that's
okay.
because, one second, I think we have to use this statement instead of that.
No, this is okay. Why do we have to set that? Minus C conf you've done that, right?
Why minus C conf is repeated twice over there? It is only a single time, right?
So one is like telling the directory name, directory, and then the other one is the actual file name. Oh.
Okay, got it. Okay.
So you have to use like this.
I have to say Flume ng instead of just Flume. This is the one which works. Yeah, so this was where I worked previously.
Okay, do Control C and go up a little bit. So it is trying to create a channel, created a memory channel already. So
For sync, it's giving.
Look like the permission is not there, group permission.
This one?
Security this saying na Hadoop security group.
Mm-hmm.
No such method is there.
Okay, I
Refresh
think that
after
is
write. That
the
means
problem. I think that you see,
method is not there.
yeah, it's not picking up that type. I think source
Yeah.
in your conf directory. Uh, so
Look like the method is not there, eh?
yeah,
Murli?
yeah, right. So it says see that about log like creating instance of source Twitter type com Cloudera this thing, then creating instance, then the method it could not find it. So that so can you do one thing? Find space slash or
But
let me paste the command for you.
this method should be present in the jar, correct?
This is present in the jar. Yep.
Refresh after write one.
Mm-hmm.
But the Twitter agent it is trying to find and
So
let me
it's
type the command.
bring the all data from the tutor account.
So
Yeah.
there is an agent running here within this Hadoop, which is open for Twitter. Open this just like SSH.
Okay.
This can exchange keys between the web and our Hadoop system. So that agent is not able to open that source. Hold on 1 minute. Let me give you the command.
Okay.
Do this thing.
If you look, there is another error. Murli, another thing is info. After info, there is error node dot properties file configuration provider. What is this? This is a properties file.
Where is that?
If you look the 1, 2, 3, 4,
Here
5,
I
6,
think you
7,
can see
8,
the
9.
end of this
Number
part
9. Yeah, 9 line number from
or
the
at the
top to
bottom of
after
it.
info. There is last info, then error. Log4j is throwing the error.
This thing.
Yeah, after this, correct.
This one, right?
Yeah, this one, correct.
So it is
19.
trying to create a sync. Basically, sync is like to receive that messages, I guess, from the Twitter app.
Source
Is
is the
not
starting point and sync is the place where the ultimate messages are received. And then pipe is the
okay.
place through which the channels are routed through.
Yeah, it could not it could not create that sync from our side.
Yeah, sync has to be created before we plan to reroute those particular messages basically. Yeah.
Find that, this one. So let's see where is that Twitter source exists. Okay, then run that command. In your box, I think maybe it's located in different place.
Okay.
Clear the screen once because it will be scrolling many. Yeah, try it out. That's fine.
Oh,
Oh, that is gone. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, you need to do source again. Source for that Flumi env.sh. Okay, that's fine. First run this command. Anyway, that is needed.
Okay.
Just remember before run the command, you have to run source that environment. Oh, that I did not give that. So for before every star, you need to have a backslash basically. So,
Okay.
escape character.
Like this.
before the star, before the star, before the star backslash.
Sorry.
Backslash star.
And after or
Yeah,
before?
right. Before only.
Okay.
Yeah, enter it.
No, it's not there.
So it is
No.
not there, Twitter source itself. So can you do Twitter? So what is that? Jar file that? So let me see that. So Twitter
Twitter?
dash source. No? 1 minute. Let me go back to the document.
Ravi, I have one question.
Yeah, tell me. Come on.
This Flume we cannot run in Druka?
We can also run. 1 minute. Hold on. Big class is coming.
I mean, it's giving the
Hello?
same similar kind of error. I can show you in that.
చెప్పండి.
Do this thing.
సార్ చెప్పండి. సెషన్ లో ఉన్నానండి. చెప్పండి. పర్లేదు చెప్పండి.
Can you do that thing once?
ఎందుకంటే నాకు లేట్ అయిపోద్ది కదా, ఆల్రెడీ 11 అవుతుంది అందు గురించి ఇక్కడ. చెప్పండి.
Ravi, did you tell me anything?
No, yeah, it's Murli. So I pasted something. Can you do that command? Oh, again I forgot the slash there. So let me give the slash.
Okay. Okay.
So that one.
Okay.
Is it? I'm
Okay.
typing it. It's not. Okay, maybe you need to type it. It's taking the escapes.
Oh, that's fine. I'll.
Okay, no problem.
Backslash star.
Sure. Yeah.
Backslash star.
Right. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, you want me to put a star here and a backslash there?
Yeah, right.
Yes, T capital, lowercase.
No, lowercase only. It says lowercase in the document. Okay, it is here. Okay.
It's
Okay, Flume Twitter source.jar. Can you do that? Select the second one.
This one?
And do second okay. One ls minus l of that. Is it a link or just a file? Ls minus l. Yeah, paste it. Okay, it is a link to the 570. Okay, that's fine. So jar minus
it's
see the contents
directory rather.
Flume NZ, right?
Yeah.
It's not in the Flume directory. So
no, I might have copied jars.
So that's why I think we need to move the complete. Oh, we can't do that. Can we do that again, like jar minus? Can you extract the jar file again?
Murli, I have a question to you.
Yes, I do have the jar file, so we can extract it again. I think I have it in the.
What you do now before that? Just existing within the existing only you can do it. That's fine. Okay. Yeah. What is that you saying?
No. It is already executed for the first time. Okay. When we are trying to execute for the second time, don't you think that since the same instance is already existing, it will throw an error when we run it for the second time?
Where is it? It's not running right now.
It is not running right now. We are stopping and then we are running it for the second time, right? We are starting for the second time.
Yeah, that's fine. The channels are like created in memory, not. I think if you look at the source, those are like memory channels. It will be cleared when you stop it.
Yeah, we'll see. No problem.
If it is like file, then I think it will create problem.
This is within the process it is happening, right? So that's why I don't think it will be a problem basically, right?
Right, yeah, right. So, Divya, what I mean, I'm trying to understand is what was in before Flume NG, before you in untar it. Is it like if you just rename the whole directory, like move that Flume NG to some Flume NG old, then you just untar this one and
No, what I'm telling is like the Flume NG which he is showing here, it has come with this VM, like it's there initially.
yeah.
The ones
So
which are
then you don't need
unzipped
to
is
do
not,
anything, right? You don't need to again untar them, right? It is already there.
it is already there, but it doesn't have the conf file and
Are you sure? Like, can you go to Flume NG and see?
I can show you that directory itself. Do you want me to
Yeah. Go ahead and change directory to
open
that.
that in the file system? Like the one here.
No, you can do cd/user lib Flume NG, right? No, here.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. Anywhere it's fine. Okay, ls.
And I think I have to go to
ls, just do ls.
this thing which is
Yeah,
copied
there is a
here.
conf already. There you
This
have a
one
conf, you have a bin,
done.
you have a lib. Oh, that is due to your car file? That those are created because of your car file?
No. These were the bin, Cloudera, everything was existing prior, and the star file is the one which I copied later in the procedure.
Okay. Yeah,
Then I
we
found.
don't need, I don't think we need to again use the tar file, right? Because it's already there.
Okay, so
So go to
that's
conf now. Use this one as a, because it is like linked with all the Twitter source or Twitter related jars basically.
We don't need to untar for this
It's
Apache.
already untarred already looks like because okay.
env.sh. That's the file, I suppose, and
You
it's
can copy it, right? You can just if you want to edit
Mac.
it.
Uh, this one
Yeah,
is
come out
blank.
of it. Yeah, come out of it and just do a copy from your new one.
Okay, so that's
So
the
the
remote.
document says go there and do an untar. Is that what it says?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's the reason I think it will give you the templates like what is a env, what is a conf, some. Otherwise, these are all empty in the current directory.
Murli, can you do me one favor?
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
you
Tell me.
has you have seen the flow what Divya has executed, right? Right from the start to
Yeah.
the beginning, start to the ending, and we
Mm-hmm.
know the places where that is failing also as well. Okay.
Yeah.
So based on this one, can you come up with a small paragraph? Okay, that will let us know the place where it is really stopping. Maybe.
That yeah, we have to like I know only now one problem, right? So that for that I'm thinking that it is related to one parameter within the conf. So I'm
Mhm.
trying to change that parameter, run it. So but now when we go back, it looks like the
We
whole thing
tried to
is
change the parameter and then ran that one, but it didn't succeed at that point of time, Murli.
no,
That's the
that's
reason
not
we
it.
have this
It's still
problem.
that, is there a way that I can get the control division like from here?
Yeah,
You can join me on the team viewer and you can take over my system. That way, it's easier. Like you can use the
Okay.
same ID and password, and I'll mute it here. Then you can work on my It's okay until.
Yeah, let me check. Let me join team viewer. Your team viewer is running, right?
Yeah, it's on.
I will try one thing and then we will go. It will be slower.
Yeah, I think now.
Still trying to connect.
I got yours.
Okay. Okay, what I will do? How do I get the control?
You're already controlling it. I am not doing anything.
Oh, okay. So I'm just redoing the whole thing.
Can you like minimize this window, like
You
little
maximize
bigger?
that window. Maximize that window.
Yeah, maximize that. Thank you.
Just want to see. So
Yeah, that's more like. I think it gives you an error at the start.
What is happening?
It's kind of. It gives an error saying that these files and images are.
I'm extracting it. Oh, XVF, right? Is that right? XVF only, right?
Yeah, XVF.
Anyway, it will. Why?
It'll not work only. I have tried this command like so many times and it failed.
Right?
Okay, done.
So where is that flume env.sh?
The one which we created is in the user live Flume.
Slash
Conf slash
flume.
it's F.
It's not there.
F.
It's not giving that.
Oh, you have to tell that is Apache.
Apache. Okay.
Yeah. Now I should.
Okay. Now flume env. In.sh to here. What? It's not there.
I think you have to change that class path to Flume initially.
Oh, okay.
And please check if there is a snapshot.jar because it's not there in this.
It will not be there. We need to copy. Yeah.
Yeah, so
So this is fine.
that Flume,
Here it is Flume.
yeah.
Everything else is same, right? We will copy that jar here.
Yeah.
Okay. So I need to go back and to the lib. I need my jar file here.
I think it's not there, so you might have to.
What is that name? Sorry. So, snapshot. Okay. Okay. So CP. Flume Apache Web.
What is your system? Is it a 32-bit system on your drive, Murli, or it is a 64-bit?
Mine is 32 only. I have two machines.
Oh, okay.
Both are 32. Yeah. Okay. Now it is. Now it is there. So all set, right?
We have to just see if the Twitter source and destination are set.
Yeah. I mean, for the ENV, it is all set.
Yeah, ENV we have corrected that.
This is the same path that is having. So just make sure.
Uh,
Okay, this is good.
no, that's not good because class path has to be set Flume
Oh.
ng library.
Okay. Okay. But I did not change it. I guess I changed it. Flume ng.
You didn't change that one.
Okay. Yeah, let me go back and change it.
Yeah, it's changed in that, I guess. I'm not wrong.
It's not even there. Let's go there. Conf.
You're searching in.
Where did I copy? So this is not the place, right? We have to copy.
No.
The class path is already there. It's note that the Flume config directory is always included. We changed this one.
There are two conf directories. One at this level and one inside the Apache conf.
I think the one inside the Apache Flume is the original one, and here the conf is freer. Like
In the document, which directory is it referring? Can you please see?
Which document? Okay, you mean here?
Cloud error document. Yeah. Okay, it is Apache. Yeah, I see that. Yeah.
Oh, so yeah.
Go back. So what we need to do is we need to get that. So CP. CP. Two levels up and then env.sh. Confident. It's very slow, this one. That's it. Here. Now it is all set. Room underscore class path, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is set to our Flume ng directory. Java home. Java home is set to Cloudera. Hold on 1 minute.
Yeah, Java home is set to Cloudera.
So is that correct?
That's the path where I found Java files. You can check it.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I do not know that part. Then one more file is, where is that? Flume.conf. That is also,
That will also not be there, I guess. You might have to copy it there.
sudo flume.conf. Here. Flume.conf. Read only. It's not there.
It will not have any data unless. No, the previous one also doesn't have the data. Where I
Oh,
create that has
in your
data.
directory it is there.
Yeah.
So sudo cp instead of
Flume ng, you can just put
here.
Flume and then copy it from there.
Okay. And inside Apache, right?
Yeah, it's inside Apache and inside the command.
Flume. Here. And source.
I have opened my Twitter account. You can check for that also. You can check for the keys as well.
Yeah, we will. It did not reach that part, that level.
Okay.
Let's see. Once it creates a connection, then we can go there.
Okay, fine.
So we have some find command. This is the Java file. Okay, that is what is the problem. 1 minute. How to change this?
Why is showing the 0 byte as the class? No, no, the class size is okay. This is the other is.
I mean, this part is not right.
It has to be in
So
the
it's the org Apache like that. So, but what we have is flume.conf. If you see, what is it? Com, Cloudera, all these things.
no, the
So we have
one,
to go like.
right?
Pardon?
Like it's referring to the same org Apache Flume ng sources and Twitter sources and.
Yeah, so it has to be arg dot apache dot flume ng source, then Twitter source. Our Twitter source is inside that. So it is not able to find the Twitter source. I don't know how to set that. 1 minute.
So is there we can change in the environment file to point to the correct package?
That's fine.
Yeah. Let's comment about this one. Okay, and then change it to is that arg dot
Apache dot.
dot flume dot flume. Okay, I'm just trying to do some internet search.
In the error is not saying like the class not found. It was saying the method, no such method is there. If it is the package is wrong, it should say the no class found.
Murli?
No class.
Yeah.
Murli, are you there? It should say the no class definition found instead of.
So you want to try with this one?
I'm not
Let's
sure,
see
like,
what.
but well, you can try it. But like, is the error point of view I'm talking?
Murli, can you something if you don't mind? You have seen the flow, right, from end to end, what exactly is happening? Okay.
Yeah.
If you can let me know the root cause, okay, where exactly is failing, okay, and whether it is because of the VM issue or whether it is because of the uh, any other XYG issue. If you can give me, maybe what I can do is that I can try it in my office sandbox and then I can get back to you in a day or two. Is it okay?
It is echoing like you are semi-Rajinikanth.
Hmm?
100 times it is echoing.
Hello?
Yeah.
Maybe you guys should.
So you are executing Murli command again. Murli, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, I'm saying, but you didn't change the like the com Apache something like you.
I commented it.
Okay, so you pointed the correct one.
No, I still had a old one.
Okay.
See now it's the same error, right? Now it Twitter source is a problem.
But
It
error
is
is
not
not
basically
displaying.
connecting.
I think the source isn't.
What is the Twitter source here?
Now it's correct. See that he's saying the source class not able to load it. It
Yeah,
means not
it
able
is
to
related
KVM,
to the
not
same
able to
error.
find. Yeah. Or is
Because see, the
this
next step is that one only. It was trying to do that source.
failed to load a
Twitter source is this one. Source is Twitter type. Yeah, this one only.
see
I
the
think
class not found. Now is okay. Yeah, now is okay. So you need to change the org Apache
so.
sub flume dot flow.
Usually, I
Yeah,
think we
change
need
it
to
this
find. I do not know that hierarchy here.
org dot apache dot flume flume ng dot flume sources.
So,
What I saw.
So I want to know where the Twitter source class is available.
No, but you already saw it when you did the
just
tunnel
copy
verify.
everything, right? We just did that directly, so it's already, it should be there in the bin, and then it's the jar file. So
Okay, let me go back because I could not find that. cd right? So jar. So this is what Twitter source is here. I have to set org dot. So this is the class name, right?
yeah.
So where is that?
Then
Twitter
a
source.
different lib than the original one.
Org
It's not.
Apache from source. Source. Okay, let's do one thing. Last one.
If you look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, line number 9 from when you did it, this is the class name. You put the whole thing, org Apache Flume source tutor.
Okay, so that's what we need to do. Okay, let's do that.
Okay.
Class name is there?
So,
Yeah.
uh,
Okay, source dot Twitter source.
Is the
Twitter,
sources? I believe so.
because he has given up to Twitter source.
and she,
That's the class name, yeah.
Right, Divya?
yeah, I thought I was looking at a different thing and was searched for it.
All I want to know is where is that Twitter source class? Flume ng star sources. Jar minus tvf.
Twitter.
This is not how it did, right?
In this command, you can use the grep and that class name.
Okay. But that's not, this is not the jar file we found.
No, it's there in Flume Lib folder. You can search there. Yeah. So Twitter
I
sources
think
is
this is it. This is the jar.
yeah.
Org Apache Flume source Twitter source dot class. So this is what we need. Let me copy it here first. Okay. Source.
Dot Twitter source.
That's it.
Do you need to restart this after this configuration change? You know.
It did not start at all. It failed.
So you are in com directory.
Now it is giving that old error. Okay. Unable to load source type com. So it did not take that new one that we just set, right? It's still going to the old one. Com
I
cloud.
think so. You need to restart it. Then the class path,
Restart what? Like
whatever the terminal, you can restart it. Yes.
the environment you want to see.
Yeah, that's. I'm thinking like then it will, because you already correct the path, everything. Just you need to restart and then again learn it. After this, is anything is remaining our topic also?
I don't think so.
There's a yarn, Ravi told a yarn. What is this yarn? He covered it? Well, I didn't attend it.
Yeah, I think that there is one other topic, I think.
Yarn, yeah, he told it, the yarn. And
Where is that old command?
That's the same. I think you missed just one slash and all. You can go up.
No, without this.
Or you have the PDF down, you can just copy it from there.
This one.
Yeah, you can go here and you will have the old one. You are asking for this.
Copy it? Yeah, right, yeah. Can you copy it? It's already this.
if we import the same
That's
virtual machine in this cloud instead of the installing the cloud virtual machine, Drew, can we do it? I know.
I installed it in the original VM and it gave me the same error. So it must be the disconnection between the classes and paths.
Oh, okay.
So it's nothing different.
The Oracle VirtualBox and VM are the same issues. What are you saying? Missing option exception. NNF.
When you executed, I haven't seen missing conf directory error when you started this off. Now again
somehow it is not. Somehow it is not taking our conf file. It is pulling something else.
Okay, I think it's taking from Flume. Just ng.
That is the problem.
Okay, that should work. Okay. data this time. Yeah.
Fail to load configuration data. Unable to load the source. Still that is not right. Class arg apache flume source Twitter source. Fail to load configuration data. Hold on 1 minute. Is it too late now?
No, it's fine, Murali. If you
Fine, go
have,
ahead. Maybe it's completed this one.
Looks like this is the only one problem we have. After this, I think it should work because after that it's a connection establishment as per the logs in the document.
yeah.
1 minute, let me.
We can search on the Google this one, this error.
I searched for it and this error has not got proper responses in I mean,
Hello? Hello? Shall I close the session?
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello?
hello.
Yeah, maybe 5 more minutes.
Okay, sure.
The big
Let's
classes
see one
guy.
more time. This looks good. Maybe is this one. 6. Sources Twitter. Other sources. So this space, or what? I don't think so. That's not doesn't matter.
Sync all information, tutor agent sync, HDFS, these all are the correct arrays.
Which one? Sync. These are all correct. Let me delete this one. Different command will try. file. We will see tomorrow, Kamran, Divya.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think this is the only problem we have. So okay, let me take this. Can you send me this?
Error?
This
I think you can post it to yourself.
to where?
I have my email ID open here.
Vijay, can you send me as well, me as well? I
Yeah,
can
you.
search as well.
I'll try in my office laptop and see.
You can just go Murali.
Control V.
I have
Yeah.
him.
My name is, okay, I can write it in the same chat.
Throw it in the chat.
Yeah, I just write my email address.
Okay. Wait. I didn't find it. Maybe I can check here.
I'm just coming.
I think I can forward it otherwise if you.
Oh, you can forward
This
me.
one, right?
No problem.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, that's a
Okay.
smile.
Price conversion.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm coming. Just go.
Yeah. I think we're good. Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Okay,
Thank you. Bye. Have a good night.
Good night. Do I have to?